Volkswagen's own CEO called the original ID.3 not a true Volkswagen. The touch sliders, the capacitive steering wheel controls, the climate system that frustrated owners for 6 years, all decisions made by a management team that no longer runs the company. The ID.3 Neo is the correction. Whether it arrives 6 years too late or just in time depends on what you find when you open the door. The front end shows the new direction first. Slimmer LED headlights sit beneath a glass-covered light strip, connecting them across the full width, with the Volkswagen logo glowing within it on higher trims. The roof, spoiler, and tailgate are now body-colored rather than the previous contrasting black. That single change makes the profile read longer and lower, even though dimensions are nearly identical. The rear carries over untouched, and in a car where everything else moved forward, that is noticeable. You open the driver's door, and the first thing you register is a climate control panel beneath the screen. Physical toggle switches for temperature, blower, air conditioning, recirculation, and the defroster. These are the controls Volkswagen removed in 2019 and spent 6 years hearing about. They are back. The steering wheel has real buttons replacing the capacitive pads that accidentally added 10 km/h every time you brush them. 4 window switches sit on the driver's door where they belong. The instrument cluster has grown from 5.3 inches to 10.25, with a retro mode mimicking a late Golf Mark 1 gauge cluster. I didn't expect to care about that, I did. The 12.9-inch Innovision touchscreen runs Android Automotive and responds faster than the system it replaces. One-pedal driving is standard, decelerating to a full stop. Vehicle to load draws 3.6 kilowatts through an adapter. 385 liters, around 13.6 cubic feet, unchanged. The load lip is still high, and there is still no frunk. Volkswagen fixed neither, which tells you where the budget went. The cockpit. Seats folded, 1,267 liters, around 44.7 cubic feet. The electric motor is entirely new and more efficient than the one it replaces. 3 power levels at launch, 170 horsepower on the 50 kilowatt-hour battery, 190 horsepower on the 58, and 231 horsepower on the 79. Which is the one that reaches 630 kilometers WLTP, around 391 miles, on a single charge. DC charging holds at 105 kilowatts for the 2 smaller batteries, 183 for the largest. 10 to 80% in 26 to 29 minutes, roughly 1 coffee stop. What the range figure does not tell you is that the platform underneath is 7 years old. The Cupra Born shares it, charges identically, and wraps it in sportier clothing. The ID Golf on an entirely new architecture arrives in 2028. Whether the Neo earns your money now or the real answer is 2 years away is the question this car cannot escape. From around €35,990, the Neo costs roughly what the outgoing car cost. Volkswagen absorbed the upgrade. The MG4 undercuts it with a 77 kilowatt-hour battery for under $34,000, though its charging speed and dealer reach trail behind. What this car settles is not whether it is the best compact EV today. It settles whether Volkswagen remembered how to build one that feels like a Volkswagen. The buttons, the switches, the retro instruments, these are corrections, not innovations. The fact that those corrections required 6 years and a change of CEO tells you as much about the company as the car. If you have been waiting for Volkswagen to get this right, they got it right. If you are waiting for the next generation, the Golf is still 2 years out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.